Alright. It's been way too long. And yeah, you probably thought I gave up on the whole YouTube thing by now. Sorry to disappoint, I've got around 200 gigabytes of footage to pollute your pixels with. Let me take you all the way back to late October of 2017. All the IS gangs currently on Rarotonga, a small island in the South Pacific. I already made a video on it, and I've got a couple more coming. In this episode, we literally hiked across the island, from one side to the other, like, it's that small. Leading us on this epic quest was a crazy tour guide named Rua, who at one point in time sailed himself from Hawaii to the US. Pretty awesome guy. With lots of encouragement, and also maybe a few mildest sexist comments, we started to go up and over the center of the island.
So beautiful! Something different for a long time.
Now, as you are enjoying some island views and I'm living vicariously through my past self, I might as well talk about Raro for a little bit. Rarotonga is the largest of a group of volcanic islands called the Cook Islands. The mountain in the background is called Taimanga and marks the peak of a 50-kilometer diameter volcano that sits mostly under the Pacific. It's also only 20 miles around the coast of the island. Rarotonga has an incredibly rich history as well. The first settlers were seafaring people who arrived from Tahiti and other Polynesian islands. In this early history, many tribes went to war for land and wives, living in the foothills of the steep central mountains. Eventually, the islands were divided into 3 tribes called Waka. Later, European influence found its way to the Cook Islands, and most of the inhabitants adopted Christianity. Religion is a very important aspect to the Cook Island Maori way of life, and singing in the church is just really incredible. Fun fact, there's only 2 major roads on the island, Aratapu and Arametua, the latter being over 1,200 years old. Alright, I'll get off my horse here, but we're still trekking through the tropical rainforest. We stumbled down slippery slopes, crossed streams, and stared up at ferns that made you feel like you were in Jurassic Park. Our destination was a waterfall, one that had a swimming hole and that you could jump into. That didn't work out. But it didn't stop some of us from jumping in the stagnant water and having a good time. Overall, it was a great trip. Thanks, Rua. Later that week, we had one free day, and we all got bikes.